Yo guys, welcome to your channel. ALIREZA Sonic is here with another tutorial. This video is about King Cobra. Let's go to start. For the start, you need to know the important part of King Cobra is chest roll. So how could you do this move, chest roll? We have two ways to doing chest roll, this side and this side. So left, back, right, front, left, back, right, front. Just focus on your chest to keep your chest to end of mobility. Back like this, right like this, and chest. And then you have it. Focus on my upper body. It's inspired from a snake. And try to keep your arm here for having better chest roll. Okay? Second part of King Cobra is your arms. That you should imagine a ball here and try to touch around these balls. Okay? Like this. Here is two balls and try to do this one. Just keep practicing. And then last part is your hip. You should do hip roll like this, like this, like this. Okay? This. Focus on my hip. Boom. My leg is straight and back and right, and then your hip should rotate to forward. Okay, left, back, right, forward, left, back, right, forward, and then turn your hip and reverse, and then you should mix your chest with your hip. So, imagine a line from here to here in front of your shoulder and your hip. So this line turn like this. Okay, so hip is here, chest is here, here, chest back, hip front, chest right, hip left, chest front, hip back, and then you have it. You need to repeat this move for having good King Cobra. And then we add the hand style and this move to the chest and hip roll. So focus on my arm and the chest. When your chest are back, your arm is in front of the ball. Okay? When your chest is left, your arm is right of the ball. And like this. Here is ball and back of the ball, and my chest is in front. Do this like me, and you can control your chest. Do it more and more. And then add your hip And then for having good details in King Cobra, imagine a snake that it comes to beat you. And finish. Let's do it, practice, and tell me your opinion in comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for supporting me, for motivating me. I have many good challenges, many good details about popping and knowledge about it, and something important in main styles and main basics. Have a nice day and night.